Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Corner hosted by Nude Computer Guys. I'm Alex and today I'm going to guide you through creating an account in BlueSky. But before we dive in, let's briefly explore the differences between X and BlueSky. X operates as a centralized platform where the company's leadership management manages content moderation and algorithmic decisions. Since Elon Musk took over, X has adopted a more relaxed approach to moderation, reinstating previously banned accounts and emphasizing free speech. Since this shift, it has raised concerns about the rise of misinformation and hate speech. BlueSky, on the other hand, is built on a decentralized framework using the AT protocols. This allows users to select and even create custom algorithms and moderation policies, offering a more personalized and controlled experience. BlueSky also provides a tool to filter content and customize feeds, aiming to foster a healthier online environment with robust moderation options. With that context in mind, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and launch my browser, so you can use either Edge, Chrome, whatever browser you want, and let's type in BlueSky.app, and hit enter. And you should be brought to a page that kind of looks like this. And we're going to go ahead and click sign up. So we're going to enter our email. Go. Password. We're going to hit next and let's see if it will pick my email. Cool. Okay. Alright, let's see if that will take. That's going to ask me whether I'm human, so I'm going to go ahead and complete the challenge. Okay. Yeah. So now it's going to ask me to go ahead and create a profile picture. So I'm going to use my profile picture I have here and click continue. It's going to ask me to select the things I'm interested in getting information about or feeds about. So I'm going to say tech, photography, nature, and I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And it says you're ready to go. So we're going to go click on let's go. From here, you're going to notice that X looks, or BlueSky looks a lot like X, and it pretty much does, which is kind of cool. So it makes it really easy for you to kind of, move over to X if you're coming over from BlueSky. So if we click, so from here you can go to profile, and this is where you can kind of customize your profile if you want. So you can hit edit profile, you can give yourself a name. Okay. And then we're going to upload an image here. I'm going to select this one. Perfect. Done. Save changes. And then under settings, this is where you can really customize your moderation and your privacy and what information you actually want to see in BlueSky. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful. If you liked it, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from the site, feel free to subscribe and click that little bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.